Shanghai, 2026. At the World Artificial Intelligence Conference, the industry message shifted from how we tap screens to how we talk to them. The promise is an agentic phone, a device that handles multi-app, complex tasks like booking flights and dinner reservations without you ever touching an icon. While standard assistants answer questions within a closed system, an AI agent takes active control of the device itself. The economic projections are staggering, with generative AI-enabled smartphones expected to represent a $433 billion market by the end of the year. This technology aims to displace the human user as the primary physical operator of the device. ZTE's Nubia brand launched its first autonomous prototype to immediate demand, selling out its limited production run within hours. But days later, the device was effectively crippled as China's largest application platforms restricted the AI from accessing their services. Tencent CEO Ma Huateng publicly opposed the technology, calling the practice of sending user screens to the cloud unsafe and irresponsible. Apps like WeChat, Taobao, and JD.com implemented hard blockades, effectively freezing the AI agent out of their ecosystems. To understand why these platforms resisted the update, we need to look at the mechanics of how the AI actually navigates an app. The software challenge is straightforward. How does an AI operate an app it wasn't natively designed to communicate with? This flowchart shows the process beginning with a single voice command, which the AI processing core then interprets. The agent breaks that one command into a chain of separate actions, starting with locating a ride and then moving to a restaurant reservation. Executing these steps requires a specific system-level Android permission called inject events, a capability usually reserved for accessibility tools. This allows the AI to simulate physical fingertips and read visual text directly off the display interface. The AI isn't using an official developer channel. It is wearing a digital mask and entering through the front door, imitating a human user. That imitation conflicts directly with the business strategy of massive super apps like Alibaba. Platforms monetize what they call the front door, the critical interface where users see targeted ads and engagement prompts before they act. An invisible AI agent completing tasks in the background removes the human viewer from that screen, breaking the underlying revenue model. This is why WeChat and Taobao restricted the agent. It wasn't because the AI was malfunctioning or making errors. A perfectly efficient AI agent represents a significant financial threat to the platforms it is operating. Hardware manufacturers are responding with a course correction, abandoning independent screen reading in favor of co-developing AI models with the app giants. Securing deep partnership agreements and private API access is now a prerequisite for a successful launch. However, granting this level of deep system access raises incredibly difficult questions about legal liability in autonomous financial transactions. When an AI hallucinates a money transfer or misreads a booking, the question of who is responsible remains unanswered. We should avoid judging these devices based on sleek industrial design or controlled stage demos. The true capability of an agentic phone is found by auditing which specific third-party apps have granted the AI permission to function. This competition mirrors previous disruptions, like the tension between early app stores and telecom carriers. Even the most advanced mobile AI is useless until the internet's gatekeepers decide to let it inside.